This town is waiting for your protection. Let's start today's patrol. Just hid in the supermarket. Can you help me find the criminal? Do you know what the bad guy looks like? He was wearing a purple vest, black pants, and a yellow scarf around his neck. Okay, first, let's piece the bad guy's portrait together. Now find out where the bad guy is. Awesome! Thank you! You're welcome!
In front. Clean the wiper and clean the front window.
Quo, what happened? I got separated from my dad in the park. Quo, don't worry. Let's find your dad together. You found Quoquo's dad! You're awesome! It's terrible! My purse has been stolen! Can you help me catch the thief? No problem. Leave it to me. Go, go, go! You found my purse! Thank you so much! You're welcome! It's my duty! Officer Kiki, mission accomplished!
in front. Clean the wiper and clean the front window. Stop at the red light and cross the road on the green light.
The bus is a little dirty. Please help me wash and clean it up. Welcome to the car wash. Let's clean the car. First, drag the water sprayer to rinse off the mud. Tap the button to spray the cleaning fluid. Scrub the car clean. Now rinse off the foam. The car is clean. You are like an expert.